Hello guys! So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn a photo into a sketch in Canva using the Sketchify effect. By the end, you'll have a clean, artistic sketch version of any image, perfect for social posts, thumbnails, or quick mock-ups. This is a great technique for creators who want eye-catching visuals without spending hours in advanced editing software. We'll start by opening the Canva app and creating a new design. Tap Create a Design and pick the format that suits your goal. An Instagram post is a great square option, but you can also choose a custom size if you already know the exact dimensions you need. Matching the final destination of your image now helps you avoid awkward cropping later, and it keeps your layout consistent from the start. Planning your canvas size early also saves time when repurposing the design for multiple platforms. With the canvas ready, it's time to bring in your photo. Tap the plus icon to open Add. Go to Uploads and then Upload Media. Select the photo you want to convert into a sketch from your device's gallery. A quick tip: images with good lighting and clear edges tend to sketch more cleanly, and higher resolution photos usually produce sharper line work. If you're working with portraits, photos with defined shadows and strong contrast often produce the most detailed sketch results. Once the photo finishes uploading, tap it to place it directly onto your canvas. You can drag to reposition and use the corner handles to resize without stretching the image. If you need to fill the entire canvas, enlarge the photo until it covers the background and just so the subject sits comfortably in frame. Canva Smart Guides help you center your image, which is especially helpful for portraits or product shots. If something looks off, just pinch to zoom and fine-tune the placement before applying any effects. Taking a few extra seconds to position the photo correctly makes the final sketch look cleaner and more professional. Now for the fun part, converting it to a sketch. Tap the photo to select it, then choose Edit Image. Scroll to Apps or More and find Sketchify. Tap it and Canva will automatically process the image and turn it into a clean, hand-drawn style sketch. Give it a moment to render. If you don't see the option right away, use the search within that panel to locate Sketchify. Depending on you, and picture a smooth edge of the water. Right, left, and white. Right, and right. So, add Mac and speed, and left picture end, and right, left picture. This effect works especially well for illustrations, product shots, and profile photos you want to stylize for creative branding. After it applies, you can keep adjusting the photo size and position on the canvas to suit your layout. If the effect looks too strong or not quite right for the subject, try a different variation within Sketchify if available, or simply use Undo to roll back and reapply. The effect is non-destructive, so you can revisit Edit Image at any time to tweak or remove it. You can also layer additional Canva filters on top of your sketch for a more dramatic or subtle finish depending on your style. And that's it. Open Canva, upload your photo, place it on the canvas, and apply Sketchify to transform it into a sketch. Pause and follow along as needed, and enjoy creating your new stylized image. This simple trick is perfect for building a unique brand aesthetic, upgrading your social media visuals, or creating custom artwork in minutes. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple Canva tricks and creative editing tutorials. Comment below if you want me to cover more photo effects or advanced Sketchify styles in a future video. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.